Hey yo guys, today we're gonna be exploring mountains. Yeah. Don't want the glow stick. Fly! I want a lantern. I can float a little bit. Okay. And it's a pretty good light source. Also, I'm gonna take a gun and a hook shot. Let's go! Hopefully nothing in there is hostile. Hopefully there is nothing in there that's hostile. Alright. I'm pretty sure it's up here. Oh, it's down here. Whoa. What is that? Hello. What are you? What are you? Hello. Hi. Oh, is this one nice? Hi. What was it? Oh, I got ammo. What was that? Nobody told me caves would be like this. What was that? My hook shot, gang. Oh my gosh. That scared the flipping crap out of me. Bruh. I'm done with this. I'm done with animals.